A third arrest warrant has been issued against Hisar godman Rampal, but the Haryana police are being kept at arm's bay by a private army of armed supporters. After being hauled up in no uncertain terms by the court today, the police flew a spotter plane fitted with cameras over the ashram to get a better look. And what they learnt is that the self-styled godman has been moved even deeper to a more entrenched and better guarded spot on the ashram grounds.
SWAT commandos gearing up for a possible assault on the Satlok Ashram in Barwala in Haryana, as a clash seemed imminent between the police and devotees of self-styled godman Rampal, who once again failed to appear before the Haryana and Punjab High Court. Despite the ashram's insistence to the court that their godman was not well and he would make himself available when he recovers, that's something that's not really impressed the court. And the court has now given the police till the 21st of this month by which to produce him. Heavy police deployment just outside the ashram. They've literally moved in towards the main gates, but have just held off, still hoping that they can resolve this peacefully. But if that does not happen, then this could turn violent very soon. In an eyeball-to-eyeball confrontation, as the police finally moved in closer, within 50 meters of the main gate, ashram authorities issued a warning to the police, asking supporters to take action if the police proceeded any further. As uniformed and armed supporters of Rampal carried out their own mock drills to show the police and paramilitary forces they mean business, the police issued their own ultimatum. For close to a week, Rampal supporters have formed a human cordon around the ashram, women and even infants guarding the front, while men in black uniforms armed with sticks guard the periphery. Earlier, in an attempt to force ashram inmates out, the police removed water tankers, trucks and buses belonging to the ashram to stop them from siphoning off diesel to run their generators after water and power supply to the ashram was cut off by the authorities. Police action stepped up after the Punjab and Haryana High Court came down heavily on the Haryana government for failing to arrest and produce the godman in court, saying it lacked political will. While the High Court today issued a fresh warrant asking for Rampal to be produced by the 21st, it also asked why his bail in a 2006 murder case should not be cancelled.
After a week-long exercise, the state government yet again failed to execute warrant against Sant Rampal for the second time in a row. Questions were raised by the division bench on the will and intent of the state government to execute court orders against a murder accused. The government did manage to get a breather, but at the cost of public exchequer and inconvenience.
और सिविल अफसरान बिना स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की कंसल्टेशन के और बिना स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के हुक्म के, बिना पॉलिटिकल एस्टैब्लिशमेंट के हुक्म से चल रहे हों।
वो बहुत बीमार हैं, वो चल फिर नहीं सकते। सरकार गवर्नमेंट ने भी एक मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट पिछली डेट पे बोर्ड ऑफ डॉक्टर्स का पेश किया था कोर्ट के अंदर।
The Haryana police in fact calling in the elite SWAT commando unit as well, and that's because they actually apprehend that many of those people inside may actually have arms and ammunition. So that's the kind of worry that the police has, that many people inside the ashram may have guns with them. With Anand Patel in Chandigarh and Fahad Tala in Barwala, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.